So this is how I perform logistic regression on RegressionPal. So let's first select our data set. I'll just click upload. We'll wait for it. For here, we'll use logistic regression, and I'll pick forward selection. And for the dependent variable, I'll choose whether they are Chinese or not Chinese. And then I'll pick stage 2 mean, stage 3 mean, and stage 4 mean as independent variables. Here you can also select which is the reference category. I'll just leave it as is. The data quality assessment, you'll see if there are outliers. There's missing data, so 0%. And then the correlation recommendation. So here if you click, it'll give you choices, so that'll transform your data for you. So just for example, transform log, and that's it. There are just cautions here for you to double check, and they'll give you then options to fix that there. And just click run analysis. Let's wait for the data. Still analyzing. And there you have it. You'll see the preview. This report is summary and should not be copied directly. Remember, this does not go through AI. So you'll see the whole assumptions and the whole table if you're using trial. That's for free. What's important here is you can download the results. Let's see. Okay. So you'll see plots, reports, the script, and the tables. Okay, we'll go ahead. This one's the most important because it's a summary of everything. We modeled these agents a function of stage 2 mean, stage 3, stage 4, using logistic regression. That's correct. The formula looks correct. It will also explain what it did. Interested model candidate main effects were evaluated sequentially, blah blah blah, and I'll tell you the results. So here it was significantly associated, there's an increase. So again, this is just a summary, so you have to refine it. And then you'll also see the COEF table, the classification table, where you'll see accuracy, sensitivity, and all of that. You can, when you scroll down, there are many of them. You'll also see the diagnostic plots and all other plots relevant to logistic regression. And most importantly, you can check the R script. So let's see, just to show you, true enough, this is the correct formula for logistic regression. It'll have everything there, including the tests. That's it. And if you're ready to run another data set, just go to app. That's it.